Yeah, I can't wait for the camping trip. I can't wait to set trees on fire.
No, don't set trees on fire, dude. We'll get in trouble with the school. Wow, you're knocking people over already.
Sorry, Aaron.
It's alright.
So, where are the princesses?
I think they have to get picked up over somewhere else.
Okay.
I don't know why. I think I heard that somewhere. Oh, Asuna stuck with the boys. Here come the buses.
Asuna's like,
Hey, teachers.
Hello.
who was supposed
The
to...
princesses are in here.
Oh, the princesses already got picked up.
Maka, Asuna, do you want to ride in here with the girls?
Yes, please.
Okay, Asuna, come on in.
Thank you.
Maka,
Me too.
Maka, we're trying to find room for you.
Oh.
Don't worry. Here's some room right here. Sorry, I didn't mean to throw it at you. Okay, so we're gonna.
Yeah, I should not get your fat butt in that car.
We're gonna start driving to the campsite. Boys, you can get in that
Woo!
car. Okay, so boys, guys, stop. Anyone with luggage, bring your luggage to the back.
All right.
That's just like, here, buddy, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Come on,
You are quite a lazy little boy.
Here, I'll help. I'll get it in for you, boys. So I see Titan's the only one who bothered to bring anything.
Well, I have to be prepared for everything.
Well, you didn't tell us to be nanny, see?
It's a camping trip. Well, what am I complaining about? I didn't bring anything either.
I'm first.
What?
Oh, me.
Wait! I wanted him first.
I
I
really-
wanted him second.
I don't know what to do without Maka. Huh.
See how sits in a
Then
fun.
just enjoy that you don't have a girl bossing you around all day.
Wait a second! I missed the girl boss!
Misako, I'll call them up.
Oh.
Mega Man, come back. You forgot Misaka. Whoops. I'm back, Misaka.
Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Sorry.
Come on in the back.
Thank you! Aaron, get in the bus!
Happy, come on. You're going to miss it.
Oh man, I don't want to sit next to Natsu. It's a bus!
I'm going to blow it up.
No,
No,
you're
no.
gonna blow chunks. I know you.
You're here.
Oh, well that was easy.
See how likes to
Mega Man's like, girls, come out. Okay, girls, you're out.
Okay, thank you.
Girls, pick your tent first.
Oh, that's not fair.
Can
we have this one, please?
No.
Okay. Oh, I'm tired.
And that's Wildo.
Yeah, that's fine. That car trip was long.
Natsu, get off the bus.
I'm coming.
That's Wildo at this one.
Natsu's stuck on the bus. Whoops, why did I shut the door on myself? There you go, here. And then I'll get the frying pot out. And I need to park this. So, who's up for hiking real quick?
Real quick.
Okay, everyone, who wants to light the fire? Me. Okay, Natsu, you want to light the fire. Fire dragon roar!
Well, he's really dangerous.
Really won't.
Can we cook popcorn? Okay, Titan, did you bring popcorn?
Of course.
Really won't.
Okay, here, I'm taking your backpack.
It's
Oh,
very
you brought a
warm.
lot of food.
Well, we need to eat.
So, who's up for making tart muffin things and popcorn? Pour it all in here. Pop, 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 pop.
Smells pretty good. Wow, it's a hot fire.
Well, I made it. Can I eat it? That was my fire. And now my mouth burns! Water! Go, 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 go. He's like, okay, so anyone with Titan, Do you want us to put your salad and muffins back in your backpack?
Sure, we might need them later.
Okay, I'm going to set. Okay, so tonight everyone pack up their food so no bears come.
Bears. Sounds scary. There's a lot of
That's mine! That's my popcorn!
Phew, it's already been adventurous.
We're supposed to be seeing live animals, not hurting them.
But it tried to eat our popcorn.
You can shoo it away. Yeah, which I did gently. You call that gently, Natsu? I think you need some help. Shut up, let me eat! I haven't eaten popcorn since 2 minutes ago.
No.
Sorry, Heathcliff.
That's alright.
This one's Heathcliff.
No, I'm Heathcliff. He's John Cliff. Ooh, who wants to roast a Natsu?
Me!
He's in a roasting pan.
I want to!
Of course, I guess he's immune to fire. Oh well.
Very funny.
It's actually hard.
Okay, I saved like a few crumbs for everyone else. Have fun.
See,
Natsu, you are going to go out into the woods and find something for us to eat. Ugh, fine. Ugh. Is anyone coming with me?
I want to.
Okay, come on, Sebastian.
My name's Blick Butler.
No, your name is Sebastian.
You can't change my name on me now.
Your name is Sebastian Michaelis. Michaelin.
You can't change my name.
Your name is Michaelin.
It's Michaelis.
Okay, what?
With an S.
Come on.
When I don't sound like a girl.
Come on, Sebastian, hurry
Oh
up.
wait, can you bring some backpack? Okay, so let's just dump out this food.
Don't dump out my... Oh, not so.
I didn't dump it out on the floor. I at least picked it up and put it
Alright.
right side up.
Thank you.
Come on, Sebastian! Don't hold my button. We are to the bush. Ooh, are these... Is this blueberries? No, the bush is blue.
I've never seen a blue bush before.
Let's eat some!
Oh, you don't know if it's
Yeah,
safe.
that might be poisonous.
That's yummy.
Let's watch and make sure he doesn't die first.
I'm not eating any of those.
He's not dying. How do you feel, Natsu?
Feel fine. Feel hungry.
You don't feel like you're gonna throw up? Ah, watch out, there's a bee! Don't step on it!
Buzz, buzz, buzz. Whoa, not diamonds.
Oh my goodness, it's a porky hedgehog! A porky hedgehog!
I see that's a pointy pine.
A pointy pine, I like it.
And then I just
Natsu! Should we catch the pointy pine and have it for dinner?
No.
Oh, just berries.
Ooh, are we gonna eat the bee?
I flew in there.
some lead.
Please eat them carefully.
Sorry.
He said,
Are we gonna pick all the berries?
I don't know. Are we supposed to pick all of them? There's an awful lot of us.
yeah, just pick all.
Yeah, we need to pick them all.
Oh, this is
So
hard work.
Yeah, it's like him to
They better thank us for this. They don't even give us a thank you. I'm killing them all.
That's not very nice.
They deserve it if they don't thank me.
Who would we go to school with if you killed them all? Anyway,
Me and you will go to school with
your
each other.
girlfriend's there.
Oh yeah.
And
Okay, I
me
won't-
too, but you know,
I won't
I
kill-
picked up the whole bush.
I won't kill our girlfriends.
Okay.
Just the other guys and girls.
I'm not me.
Well, you're not there, so I don't think you count.
That's a. Maybe the leaves are edible too.
I don't know.
Here, let's try one. Oh,
Let's watch him. Make sure he doesn't die.
that was yummy too. That was just a prank.
I fainted.
Whoops, I think I killed him.
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
I just fainted.
I
Oh.
think you actually killed me.
Aren't you already dead? Aren't you both dead in your
I'm alive! I'm alive! At least you're singing on key. I can't sing on key today.
Rock City boy! Rock City boy! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Let's just bring the entire bush.
I don't know, that song reminds me more of Gajiel than you. He transferred out of our school, I guess.
I'm 50 times better than Gajiel.
I want the rest of a boss.
Ow. Ow! Not so.
A backpack defeated me.
So knocked me over.
Okay!
Here we go, back to camp.
Ah, what is that?
What is it? I think it's a butterfly.
Meow!
Ah!
Don't you like cats?
Not when they have wings.
Sting.
Ow! Except for Happy. I mean, you know, he is a cat.
Hey, you just insult Stink.
He's not really a cat.
ching.
He's an exceed.
Ching, ching,
Why
ching,
am I on my head?
ching, 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 ching.
I'm getting stung. Do we have a medic?
No.
Hmm.
We have a home ec person?
Maybe we should go see the home ec teacher.
Ow.
Because I just got stung by a butterfly. Ow!
Ouch.
Back to camp!
Back to camp.
Run. Professor Nightwing, we just got stung by a butterfly.
Even me.
Are you guys okay?
I don't know. It kind of stung. I mean, you know, we got poked by a butterfly.
We got poked by a butterfly's butt.
I don't know. I got bitten by one.
But we found some yummy berries. Are they poisonous?
Natsu didn't die when he ate them. I have to assume that means they're okay.
But I mean, Natsu's invincible or something.
Yeah, he is.
I am not invincible.
Oh, let me examine the berries. I know everything.
Okay, there are the berries. Hey, dude.
Yes.
Why are they called the blue suede shoe berries?
Well, obviously, the man who discovered them was wearing blue suede shoes, and they are of the same color that his shoes were. So, in
They
memory
feel
of
suede.
his shoes, they feel suede-y. I don't think I've ever felt one before. Oh my, it does. I hope they do not taste like shoes, however.
I want to taste the shoe berry! I'm going to taste the shoe berry.
Not so you already ate berries. Did they taste like shoes?
No.
No. Can I have one?
Sure.
Thank you. Should we cook them? Or are they good raw? Professor, my berry just rolled away. Professor, do we need to cook these berries?
I would.
Alright. Natsu!
What?
Cook my berries!
Fine. They're not yours. I found them.
I picked some. Don't we get any? Yeah, we get some too. They're for everybody except Natsu. I thought that was the point.
Hey, they're not cooked yet.
Okay, now
Okay,
I
they're cooked now. I want one.
No, Natsu. Save some for the rest of us. Yeah,
Oh.
we're hungry too.
Yeah. Fine then. Hey, bro, stab it on your sword
I'm
and eat it.
trying. I'm just falling in the entire pot.
Make a kebab.
I'm having
Here, bro, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Whoops, I
I'll
dropped
help.
your berry. I'm sorry.
this one. There you go. You have a berry.
I made a kebab.
Berry kebabs. Nom 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 nom.
That was
nom,
yummy.
nom, nom,
That
nom.
too.
Fine, I want a kebab. I have a sword thing.
Ooh, I want a kebab too. If Soul doesn't mind. Whee.
I don't have a weapon. Actually, yes, I do.
I'll try this kebab.
These are really tasty.
Well,
Cindy, come try these berries. Snow White, come try these berries. Not so found.
and
me. Well, I want to try one too. I didn't know it was dinner time already.
It's lunchtime.
Oh, lunchtime. Whoops.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're yummy. We have had them on kebabs.
I don't know.
I guess you don't have anything to kebab with.
I do.
Oh, that's so wonderful. It tastes awesome.
I do have something.
Those taste so good. What kind of berries are they?
They're the blue suede shoe berry.
Ew, I just ate a shoe.
No, they are thus named because the gentleman who discovered them was wearing blue suede shoes.
Huh, how do you know this?
I read about it in a book. This particular book.
I'm taking a wagon.
I know, be careful with my book.
Pop, 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 pop,
That's how we learn about things out of books.
Whatever. I'm gonna go get more blue side shoes berries.
Have fun. Be safe.
Okay.
Should we go into the woods by ourselves?
No. Someone will follow him.
Okay. Ow! I didn't know I could fly.
You can fly! You can fly! Oh yeah! Okay, I don't know why I did that.
I don't know. I
Children
never
are
heard you sing
watching.
anybody else's theme song before.
Na 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 na. There's a giraffe, dude.
What? I think you're imagining things.
Hi, Jeffy. Why do animals here hurt people? These are my berries.
Shoo!
Shoo, shoo,
Shoo, shoo!
shoo, shoo.
That was a scary giraffe.
Why do you scream like a little girl?
Because the firefly's back!
That's not even a butterfly. Why was the teacher's tent flying?
I didn't see it, dude. Oh man, don't tell me it's gonna bite me too. I'm gonna stay low, and it won't notice me. Uh-oh. It's in my hair. Dude! Why don't you roast it? We'll eat it for dinner.
No.
But, it pooped on me! Oh, man, it blew poop in my hair. That's not funny. Eat you. There. Much better.
Oh, really?
No! Oh, well, you knocked mine off too, so, you know.
Okay. Come on, let's
Yeah.
get more.
Birds poop. Birds should be respectful.
Can you eat bird poop?
I don't think so. Ew, why would you want to try?
Well, we tried eating berries and we just picked up the bird poop! There's a big... Stay low.
Tail.
Oh man, it's in the bush. What do we do?
Oh man.
Just come to the other side of the bush.
Oh, okay, well.
Move the bush around. See, you move bushes. Sometimes I think that our bushes are fake.
I don't know.
Yeah, just keep picking.
Alright.
In fact,
I don't think I've picked anything yet. I think I've just screamed a lot like a girl.
Sebastian is a girl. Ooh,
You called me her. Oh, I just took that berry right out of the thing.
that berry's giant. In fact, your name is Michaela.
Hey now, be nice.
Sebastian's name is Michaela. Sebastian's name is Michaela.
Do not tell my. I guess his last name is kind of a. But tell Sebastian.
Hi. Who are you?
I'm not sorting for food.
Oh, we were looking for food too. We found a berry bush.
Called the Blue Slide Shoe Bush.
Are you from another camp?
Hey!
Oh my goodness, tents around here just fly around and little girls scream like little girls. See, it wasn't me, it was her. I screamed
come on.
like a perfectly good gentleman.
Gentle.
Not Sue. Oh man.
That's who wants them.
Come on.
And mine. That's all police and police. All together.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'm there.
Can we make trail mix?
Yeah, sure. Some popcorn and some beers and...
Let's just get some. Do I get any?
No.
No.
Not till
Fine,
everyone.
I'll just eat these berries.
Not till everyone else has some.
I made a berry fortress. I'm just going to put these in the fire. This is my berry. Oh. A bird pooped on us earlier.
Really? A bird pooped on you? Like, just...
I'm in
And
the
that's mine.
I'm a bird.
Wow, it's a nasty
Yes.
bird.
Bark, 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 bark.
Don't poop on us.
Please like this video and subscribe to the
I see
If you
Show
want to see more of the camping hey, where'd I go?
videos.
Camping videos. And if you want to see the girls sleeping while we're spying on them.
Yeah.
What? Nothing?
No.
Bye. Go away quickly.
Bye, bye, bye.